Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these Punnet squares. They're word problems, and that's what we're going to be doing for the rest of genetics. So we need to know the vocabulary in order to understand what to do. So I'm going to walk you through this. This is on the page with your dragon genetics. So in foxes, silver fur is caused by the recessive allele lowercase b, and red fur is caused by its dominant allele uppercase b. So whenever there's an uppercase b, any combination, the fox is going to have red fur. So these problems are going to ask you to find the genotypes and the phenotypes, the genetics, the alleles, and the characteristics, the phenotypes, for these fox matings. So you have an A, capital B is crossed with capital B small b. And what that means is a homozygous dominant fox, capital B, is one parent. The other parent is capital B small b. Both these parents, what color should they look like? They both have a combination of capital B, so the parents are going to look all red. And what you do is you sort their letters across the top, one letter over each square, capital B, and then down the side for the other parent, capital B small b. And then if you follow the blue arrows, you see you combine those two in the boxes. And the boxes represent offspring. So these are the possible genetic outcomes for their offspring. And that's what the problem is asking you in genotypes and phenotypes. So for the possible offspring, you look at the boxes. The genotypes are capital B, capital B, capital B, capital B, capital B small b, capital B small b. You can write them all out, or you don't have to repeat it. You can just write capital B, and capital B small b. So what do those phenotypes mean? This is again where you have to look at the word problem, look at how you define your variables, just like in a math problem, and you can see that each of these genotypes has the dominant allele capital B. That means they are all red. Down underneath the box, I just wrote a note that capital B represented the red fox, and lowercase b was the silver fox, because that's the recessive allele.